Nagbabala ka ba mag-Thailand at gusto mong ma-experience ang authentic Thai home? Well, ito na ang perfect Airbnb para sa'yo. Pagbaba pa lang namin ng taxi, the hostess already gave us a helping hand sa pagbitbit ng mga luggages namin. Shinare niya na rin agad yung password ng wifi and syempre, tinuruan niya kami kung paano gamitin yung mga bagay-bagay rito. Tinanong niya rin kung anong preference namin sa food, especially my Muslim friend, and kung nagugutom na kami.
Pork chicken, pork and
Chicken only.
Chicken.
Okay.
Chicken only, fish.
Chicken, fish. Okay.
Okay, you hungry now, right?
Yeah.
You have some local food that I walk you to the market.
At yun na nga, hinatid pa kami ng hostess namin na si Nut papunta sa kanyang recommended local Thai resto. Check out niyo yung other vid ko kasi vinlog ko rin yun. Pagbalik namin, syempre I decided to film a video na to give you guys a whole tour of the house. As you can see, it's full of greenery and it's a breath of fresh air here in Bangkok. Punong-puno ng mga puno at halaman pero walang insekto at talagang maririnig mo ang huni ng mga ibon. And it's away from the hustle and bustle of the city. Sobrang presko at maaliwalas lang. Inside, you can really see the interior design screams authentic traditional Thai home with the wooden furniture and Buddhist elements. Whenever I look for Airbnbs, especially sa ibang bansa, I deliberately choose places that immerse you to the local culture and hindi generic like hotels na makikita mo kahit saan. And this place really checks the mark for me. By the way, it has 2 floors, may 2 rooms sa taas na occupied by other guests and dito kami nagsistay sa part na to. Here, nandito yung common pantry namin, medicine box, and other stuff na rin. Our room also has this electronic keypad door lock for an extra layer of security. Cool, diba? Ito naman yung sa loob ng room namin. Pagpasensya niyo na yung mga belongings, but it's really giving a warm and serene place to rest and unwind. It's as good as advertised sa Airbnb page nila. Kitang-kita niyo naman, diba? Also, super comfy ng bed, as in, and ang lakas ng aircon nila. Dito banda yung TV area nila and here yung mga snacks and beverages. Yung ref nila, walang laman sa freezer, syempre. Pero maraming tubig, milk, and orange juice. Shampoo, body wash, and yung cute na cotton buds. Sink, yung cute na mirror nila, and yung toilet. And meron rin silang clothes rack with hangers. Tapos sobrang lakas ng bidet nila, parang pati yung kaluluwa ko kayang linisin. And then, ito naman yung shower area. Super clean and mabango. And super na-enjoy kong maligo dito. Meron din palang pang fit check. And later that day, may pinuntahan kaming event ni Kads. And our hostess really insisted na ihatid kami sa train station. And turuan kami mag-train. Late na rin kami umuwi that night, mga 3 AM na rin. Pero di talaga siya natulog until she knew that we got home safely. Kaya nakakasoft talaga. At kung love language mo ang acts of service, paniguradong titiklop ka talaga rito kasi every morning, gumigising si Nut ng pagkaaga-aga to give us free Thai breakfast na fresh and delicious. Anyway, nandito na tayo sa dulo ng vid and it's time for the price reveal. Can you believe that this perfect Airbnb cost us only 600 pesos per night? Yes, ganun kamura.